What's up, Glam Fam? I'm on my way to work. If you guys want to see how I got this work-appropriate makeup look, then just keep on watching. Bye. You're checking your watch, you gotta go. What are you gonna do? Don't freak out. Follow along with this makeup tutorial. Use those for Sally 24 karat drops, especially in the wrinkles. This 39-year-old mama gotta look good. We gotta slay for work. So just keep on watching. I'll talk to you in the end of the video. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Focus where I have a lot of dryness. So I don't really put this under my under eyes, only where I need blemish control. I mean, we gotta go. We're in a rush. Mama don't want to sit in traffic. Going in with the NARS Radiant and Creamy Concealer to cover up my blemishes. Might as well put on foundation. There's a lot. This area. What's this little friend doing? My friend was talking about this acne dermabrasion that she got. If you guys have heard about that and you like it, leave a comment in the comment section down below because I'd love to know about that. Now we're going to go in with the NYX Yellow Concealer. Pretty faces while I'm doing my makeup, but I just have to come to the realization that my face looks funny while I'm doing my makeup. And there's no two ways about it. Brush and under. Set the eyes with my favorite illuminating powder, the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. I don't want to bake. I don't got time to bake, and I don't want to bake. So that there's no like glitter on my face. All right, now I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Them with the Naked Illuminating Powder. You know, people say I use a lot of the same products, and you know what? I use a lot of different products, but sometimes when you have a routine and you know what works, you use what works. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this is usually my work, get ready routine. Vacation palette, only because I work at Disney and the colors have to be neutral. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here for my transition. Just blend that into my crease. When you blend, when you apply color, you put your hand right here. When you're gonna blend it out, you put it lower, much lower. And we're gonna go into this taupey color and blend it on top of that line we just did. Inside the eye. Get into this color called Glistening, and I'm just gonna pop it right in the center. On the other side. Top of Glistening, I'm gonna put what does it say? Fairy. Take the bottom side and blend it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Blend it on the sides. You don't have to blend the middle part. Blend it on the top and right on the sides, because you still want to keep the pigment in the middle. Gold by Too Faced contour brush. I've been loving this. You guys just don't see me do it. Look how cool that is. You just swipe some color in there, tap up the excess, and look. Don't worry, I'll blend it out. It makes it so easy. And then you just take it and blend it up. Don't ever blend it down, always blend it up. Tap a little bit in there. Go right under where I put that contour, just to make it look chiseled. You know, this is one of my greatest tips. My favorite, at least. Blend that down, never up. So the contour, you blend up, and your powder to chisel it out, you blend down. But I let this bake for a second while I do my mascara and stuff, Because I need to stay on all day because it's hot here in Florida. Like, it's hot. Why do my faces make me look like a gnome? This Sephora Favorites, my nude collection. Oh, this is good. That smells divine. Oh no, it's Bare Minerals. I will be sure to link the name down. Powder we put in before. Make sure that's fully blended. You don't want to look ashy. Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Kissed. And I want to do this. I saw somebody else do this. I'm going to go into this deepest color right here. Because I'm going to get my money's worth. If I paid $40-something for a highlighting palette, I'm going to use every color. And I'm going to go over my contour with that. And I have a funny feeling that in the sun, it'll look real pretty. Right now, it's like 7:30 a.m. in Florida, and the sun's not out. But I have a feeling, since I work outside, that that's going to look beautiful. No, I just got this from Ipsy. This amazing multi-use brush. I'm using it as a highlighter brush, but it's also obviously a blending brush for eyeshadow. And I'm going to go Moonstone. Okay, now I can't go to work because I just blinded myself. What am I going to do now? I mean, do you guys see that? I'm going to be glowing to the Disney gods. Do you guys see that? And that glow is just intense. Oh my God. Okay, now I take back what I said. I would pay $40 just for that one highlight. Combing it down with my fan brush. Some people don't understand highlighting. They'll be like, why do you get that white stuff on your face? I'm like, please. Maltese Volume Lashes by Maybelline. At home, I make my own to do that because I don't want to put anything in the waterline because then I'm all irritated during work and I get so pissed because it feels like my eyes are burning because of the sun. So I'm going to go in with this color Summer. Put it right in there. It's just going to give this illusion, because it's definitely an illusion that I'm wide awake, because I'm not. Your girl's not wide awake. Just going to go up in here again. Okay. And then we'll take it to the brow bone. My fingers so that there's no lines. $1 for every time I say lines, right? I'm so big about the lines. I'm paranoid. Instead of our Mario Badescu with our Urban Decay Chill, because I have to work out in the sun and I want my makeup to stay. All right, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe, become a part of the Glam Fam, and I'll see you in my next video. We'll see you next Tuesday. This was a bonus video. I love you guys. Peace.